Mathura, Mott, Gurudev Court. So when Gurudev was telling myself and some others there, I told Gurudev, according to Sanskrit grammar, Giriraj Maharaj, if in female form, then why not Girirani or Maharani? Why Giriraj Maharaj? According to Panini Sutra, condensed form of Panini, Vishesai Jalingam Vibhakti Bachane Jaji, Tani Sarvani Jajani Vishesana Padeshapi. I never did Harinama Vyakaran because in my course all are Panini Vyakaran, other Vyakaran. So I told this. And then I told, when you are worshipping, why giving Janeyu? Janeyu means sacred thread. Why? I asked her 7-8 questions. And then Gurudev smiled and told, without female form, how they can serve? Then I can counter argument with Gurudev that Bhaktivinoda Thakur is telling that Baladev Prabhu himself became Dham. So Giriraj is out of Dham. And it's mentioned here Govardhan also. So it's out of Dham. Again, Gurudev give another argument that Pramada Madana Leela Kandale. Then I telling that Gurudev told, read Chaitanya Charitamritam, whose mood how much the Sakhas also categorized 5 ways. The topmost Piyonarva Sakha. In Piyonarva Sakha, topmost Subal, Madhumangal, Ujjal, Bhringa, Kokil, Basanta. These are prominent. So they are almost touching the border of Mahabhav. And Mahabhav is only for Braj Gopis. When Radha Krishna and other Gopis, they are being water sports first time, also Madhumangal there. Being there, so they have some Odhikar there. But then I saw Gurudev that Chakravarti Thakur, in his comment in Bhagavatam, maybe 11th canto, I can tell the slope, everything I don't remember not present. So they are saying that Giriraj is Sakha. So what does the Gurudev told? Sakha means Piyonarva Sakha, not ordinary Sakha. বুঝতে পারলেন? গুরুদেবের সঙ্গে জিজ্ঞেস করছি সখা Piyonarva Sakha না ऐसा बोले दीजिए. So गिरिराज का स्वरूप क्या है? प्रत्येक का एक स्वरूप है. आप लोगों का भी स्वरूप है. स्वरूप में सवार है गोलोक की संस्कृति. सब लोग स्वरूप में गोलोक में रहते हैं. बिना स्वरूप से कोई जी नहीं सकते. अभी हमारा स्वरूप ढका हुआ है. हम माया के प्रति आसक्त होने के कारण हम जान नहीं पाते हैं. जब हम कृपा करी माया जाल